Hey folks, this is Aunt Sandy, and I have a tip for you that if you're in a jam, you're going to need it. This is pumpkin pie spice. Now, if the grocery stores don't have it or you don't have it and you want to make something, I'm going to show you how to make it homemade. You take cinnamon, 3 tablespoons, 2 teaspoons of ginger. Oh boy, this stuff smells good. 2 teaspoons, and then 2 teaspoons of nutmeg. 1.5 teaspoons of allspice, and 1.5 of ground cloves. It's 1.5. Then we're going to mix it up. And there you have it. Get through with these. You're through with them. Sometimes it's good to keep the bottle, wash it out, let it dry, and you can put this in it, or you can use it for other things, powdered sugar, to sprinkle on things. They come in handy. Just save them. You just put this in a container. You can put it in a little pint-sized canning jar, or Tupperware, or anything you need. Label it pumpkin pie spice, homemade. Bye. Also in the description, there will be a recipe and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite recipe. There is a link in the description to check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's Kitchen merchandise. If you like this recipe and found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you always for watching my videos, and as always, God bless.